he wanted to take his kite out. He wanted to have fun, play with his kite, have a good time, and it got stuck. Right? Yes? So, what was the first thing he did? Your hands are not up. Benjamin.
He first threw his favorite shoe.
His favorite shoe. Does everyone have a favorite shoe?
Yes.
Left side or right side?
No.
No. I have a favorite pair of shoes, but not a favorite shoe. So he tries a shoe and a cat and all kinds of things to get everything out. Does it work? No, not really. Until the very, very, very end, what was the last thing that he used that got the kite out? Kelly. The saw. Now, did he use a saw like you would use a saw to cut? He just threw the saw at the tree. And the poor tree had no more space to hold anything else, so the kite just fell out. Okay, so what we're going to do now, if I can find some chalk, is write a little bit. Now you can choose which thing you're going to write about. Okay? So, the first one, well there's only two, but the first one is asking about the things that Floyd put in the tree. Okay? So he had the kites, obviously. He had a truck and a lighthouse and a car and a monkey, rhinoceros. So I want to know, where do you think he was able to get all of these things? How does he have the money to buy it or the muscles to move it, to throw it into the tree? Okay? So that's the first question you can choose. Yeah, but how does he have the money? If he's going to buy it, he still needs money. If you buy it but no money, that's stealing, right? What? Going to move them. He had a house and a lighthouse and a boat. Well, he had two boats, a big one and a small one. If there's no water, the boat is not going to be easy to move, right?
You said a whale.
Yeah, he had a whale. A whale's probably even bigger than some boats, right? So he still has to move all those things. So how does he move them? And the second one, sort of moving here, yeah. Choose how could Floyd pay for all of the things, and if your kite was stuck in a tree at your house or the tree at Floyd's house, wherever, what would you do? Would you do the same things that Floyd did, find everything in the world and throw